It is the final mow of the season. It is Thanksgiving weekend, or the weekend after Thanksgiving, and it's been probably about 2 weeks since I've last mowed the lawn. I just haven't been able to get out here to mow it one last time because we've had a ton of rain, and when we don't have rain, it gets dark before I can ever get out here. So I have one last mow, and it's going to be a special one because it's going to be the first time I use my very own, well, it's just going to be a special one. You guessed it, Toro sent me my very own Time Master, and I'm really excited to take this mower for its maiden voyage on the last mow of the 2020 lawn care season. Thank you so much, Toro, for sending this to me. I just want to say, you know, my audience, it's all because of you for why I got this. Companies like Toro and Hart would not send me things if it wasn't for my audience that's continued to support me. So really, I have to thank you guys, my audience, for supporting me, for giving me the opportunity to have Toro and Hart send me some sweet equipment this year. So thank you guys, and that's all I have for you guys. The rest of this video, I'm just going to be doing mowing footage, and I hope you guys enjoy this last mow montage. That's it, guys. All I need to do now is give the lawn its last trim and edge, and that'll be a wrap for the 2020 lawn care season for me here in St. Louis. That Toro Time Master, man, I really like that mower. Still love my Honda, but that Toro Time Master, it's like butter. So again, thank you so much, Toro, for sending that piece of equipment for me to use and for my audience and all that kind of stuff. And again, I sincerely appreciate all the support from my audience, because if it wasn't for you guys, I wouldn't be getting equipment like that. So thanks so much, guys. Thanks for all the support. Hope you guys have a great fall and winter season. I will have more lawn care or videos coming out throughout the winter. And don't forget, I do have the Average Joe Lawn Care Show every Friday at 8:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. It's a live stream, so be sure to tune in for that. We have Justin the Lawn Whisperer, and I have several other co-hosts in the lawn care YouTube community, as well as I'm going to have other people that aren't necessarily YouTubers but just very active in the lawn care community. We'll be having them on the show as well. So thanks again for all the support, guys, and we'll see you in the next video.